Question number 5. How are the liquid particles arranged and moving? Click on liquid. Click on that. Look at the different substances, neon, argon, oxygen, and water, when they're liquids. So I'm going to look at neon, argon, oxygen, and water. Use 3 of the phrases from the word blank below to fill in the table. So, what do I notice about the arrangement? Are they packed tightly together, close together but not packed together, or very far apart? Well, I think I saw that when I cooled them down. No. How are the liquid particles arranged and moving? Click on liquid, and then look at the different substances. Neon, focus on how they're moving and arranged. Argon, oxygen, water. Now we need to describe how they're arranged, how close or far apart they are. Here's my word bank. Packed tightly together, close together but not packed together, or very far apart. Well, I noticed that for all of them, they're not really far apart, but they're also not as packed together as when I had a solid. Those were really packed together. So I think I'm going to choose close together but not packed together, because they're pretty close, but they're not like in a grid like the solids were. Next, the movement. Can they not move past each other, or can they move past each other? Well, as I look, I'm seeing that, yeah, they are able to move past each other. Versus in a solid, they're stuck in place. They can't move at all. So I would write can move past each other. Last, volume and shape. So right now, when it's a solid, notice how the shape is a square, and that shape is not changing. Look what happens when I turn it into a liquid. The shape changes, and it fits the container. So the shape is definitely changing. Now, volume refers to how much space is being taken up. So I'm noticing that it's taking up about this much space. If I turn it into a gas, notice how the amount of space it's taking up is changing. So I'm going to say that the shape changes, but the volume doesn't change. It's kind of like if you have a glass of water, you can pour it into a bunch of different shaped cups, and it might take a different shape, but the volume, or how much space it's taking up, doesn't change. You're still drinking the same amount of water.